Welcome to 12T Health. I'm Dr. Derek Da Silva. High heels may complement the perfect look, but too much strutting in style can also send you, believe it or not, to your doctor's office. Here to explain is board-certified neurosurgeon Dr. Adam Lipson. He's with IGEA Brain and Spine in New York and New Jersey. Dr. Lipson is also joined by Lauren. Thank you so much for joining us. So what's the problem with high heels?
Thanks, Dr. Da Silva. So when we look at posture, everything starts from the feet up. So we want to look at the high heels as a base, and we have to balance form and function.
Okay.
So as great as high heels look, they have an impact on your posture. Lauren has some nice heels right here that we see. What that does is it pitches your body forward and has you, in order to keep a balance of bringing your posture back up and bring your shoulders back to maintain your shoulders centered over your pelvis. So, and that works, but for patients who have some back discomfort, we have to look at strategies.
So what's the solution for all of this?
So I think the solution really is to try to rotate your wardrobe a bit, to minimize the amount of time that you have those really high heels and use some alternatives, either wide-based or shorter heels. Okay. Doesn't mean you have to sacrifice a good-looking set of shoes, but it means you have to balance it. Maybe
so
use
taking
it for
flat shoes with you to work, you know, using those type of techniques as you're going to work. That's what I mean. See, women do that all the time.
Absolutely.
Right.
Or to save those special shoes for
Absolutely.
that night.
What about the bag? What about the purse?
So in terms of the purse, what we look at is the effects on posture. It can pull you to the side and it can push you forward. And then you have to actively contract your core muscle and your muscles, your extensor muscles, to try and maintain that posture. So we want to look at strategies to try to keep you better balanced.
And what do we do? What are the strategies to keep you better balanced?
So one is drop some of the weight in the purse.
Right, obviously.
Other strategies are, instead of using this on one shoulder, to actually go for a crossbody. That will better balance and distribute the weight between both shoulders and allow you to better access your core and keep your shoulders centered over your pelvis.
And I also think that women that become conscious about that, it's like posture, right? If you're conscious about standing straight, you're probably going to do that. So with this whole, with the shoes and the purse, I think is an important issue.
Absolutely. An old tip people have is to take a line, taking from the top of the head, and try to connect it to the ceiling to try to pull your posture up. In terms of exercises, we really want to focus on weightlifting, activating core, activating your gluteal muscles, your buttock muscles, and try and keep your body centered over the pelvis.
Thank you so much. Great information. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks for joining us here today, folks. Here's a look at this